student's life responsibility, we think that to get a good marks and complete your
You
study.
don't give up the any responsibility, but because of the responsibility is one of the opportunity.
Hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome एडिसर यूट्यूब चॅनल सी एस कोकण क्लास तेरा. आजचा विषय आहे व्हाय द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इम्पॉर्टंट इन युअर लाईफ. प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याच्या प्रत्येक व्यक्तीच्या जीवनामध्ये जबाबदारी का महत्त्वाची असते या विषयावर आपल्या क्लासेसच्या दोन मुली चर्चा करणार आहेत. त्या चर्चेमधून काही प्रेरणा घ्या आणि एक जबाबदारी आपली काय असते याच्यावर छोटीशी चर्चा आहे. तुम्ही त्या आनंदाने ऐका आणि त्याच्यातून काहीतरी प्रेरणा घ्या. धन्यवाद.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. And today, like every video, today also we are giving the one video topic about the student responsibility. And I have to tell myself, introduce. My name is Sheetal Santosh Matre. I am belong to Talegaon Bablugaon, the student of CS spoken class of AD Sir Tellara. And here my friend, so Chanchal, tell your introduce.
Hi guys, this is Chanchal. I am also the students of CS spoken classes Telhara, and I am a final year student in a BA field. So now Shita start our topic.
Yeah, our topic is that student responsibility. As you know that you should be understand the what is the importance of the student responsibility. Having lived life, the student responsibility is the most important in our life. According to the me, if you will take the any responsibility, then you will go one step to another step. So according to me, always take the responsibility. And friends, responsibility is that thing. If you will do something in our life, and if you will do in our life, so it is one of the exact meaning of the responsibility. And as you know that responsibility is one of the rings. Suppose in our hand lots of responsibilities are present, but if you are unable to do something in our life, you will not do your work very properly. You means you are one of the unable. At that time, your family, your relationship can be torturous about your responsibility, right, Chincha?
Yes,
So what
yes.
can you say?
I think the responsibility means do our work. What you get a duty you are, so take it and complete it. That's our responsibility. And the children's responsibility is that you complete your education. You with the mind and very goodly. Means your parents are taking you the education, so complete it very easy with the mind, according to me. And our parents do much more hard work for us, that our responsibility that the complete our education, and everything are very easy that
Yeah,
time.
totally. I am appreciate with you, Chanchal. You know that having your life and also in our family, responsibility is most important. Our parents should be take lots of responsibility for their child, their family, or their relationship, etc. person. So you always be take the any responsibility. Because of that, responsibility is one of the power who always motivate to us. So responsibility is that word which fight up a lot of things which is important for your career. And also, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also said that. So what can you say?
I think the students' life responsibility, we think that to get a good marks and complete your study, that is our mentality. But according to me, that is the education is also the important in our life, and that is also the our responsibility. But the our other responsibility also in our life, like our family, about our country, when the lot of responsibility are present in our life. And the main thing is that the responsibility have no end. Means the by our age are increasing the day by day, so that time our responsibility also increasing according to
And now this time we are learning, you know that what is the importance of the responsibility. You are one of the students, so you are one of the students. If you will handle the any situation, at that time the responsibility is the most important. And if you don't give up the any responsibility, because of the responsibility is one of the opportunity in our life, so it is the importance. And you know that for handling the any responsibility, you have important the happiness. If you are not happy in your life, then definitely you will not handle the any responsibility.
Yes.
So responsibility is that word which is applied to the every person. and every person have a responsibility, but sometime any stress or depression can be come in our life, so at that time you don't sacrifice your responsibility. Okay.
Yes. Yes, means take it and complete it.
Yeah, definitely. So what can you say?
Yeah, and I think means recently I told that the other responsibility also present means like our nature, means save the nature and plant the trees. That also the responsibility of students that to for our next future, that our generation they are living safely. For that we want to plant a trees now this time. That's also the responsibility of students. So what can you say on that?
I am totally appreciate you, but I remember one sentence there, which is said by Dr. Jawaharlal, sorry,
Pandit Jawaharlal
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I remember one thought that you always always be give the respect to our eldest person. So it is our responsibility. If you have to go one place to another place, at that time also you should be take the permission through the eldest person. If you will not take the permission through our eldest person, at that time you are an unresponsible person. You know that lots of advantage or disadvantage of the student responsibility. But and also now this time our teachers teach us a lot of things through to us. But if we will take the lot of knowledge through our teacher, at that time you will make your life with the mind and advantage. So that our responsibility is that take a lot of knowledge through our teachers and give a respect. I tell one example about the class. If you have to go in the class, before coming in the class, you should be ask your teacher that may I come in, sir. So it is one of the example of the responsibility.
Yeah, and that is respect also. That we are learning by our parents, that they teach to us
Yeah,
that to
absolutely
respect
right.
to elder. Yes, and the one thing is that means the students' responsibility also that to pass out our culture, our tradition to our next generation. That they know what is our generation, and our generation or our culture. That is the our means our India speciality, I think.
And you know that Chenchal, now this time the modern generation, and according to modern generation, lots of students are busy on the internet. They always
Yes.
they always do study on the internet, but also they do the always time pass on the internet.
Yeah, means
They
lots
watch
of time they spend on the internet,
yeah,
on mobiles
they
also.
watch a lot of videos or play the lot of games on the internet. So and lot of time our parents would be give a lot of money to us, but at that time you should be spend our money on the unvaluable thing. Take the example of smoking and drinking, etc. thing. So lastly, I suggest to all of you that always we take the responsibility, because responsibility is one of the opportunity in our life, and we cannot do the everything without the responsibility. So responsibility it is one of the best of our life. Having do the any work, you should be take the responsibility.
So lastly, I tell you guys, you complete your work, you complete your responsibility about your life, about your parents. Your parents hope something about you, so complete it. And lastly, I thank you for watching this video and subscribe to our channel. So thank you
Thank
for
you for
support
watching
us.
this video. Thank you.